In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make people admin on your ad account, whether you are using personal ad account or business ad account, it doesn't matter. So this strategy works also with personal ad account. A lot of people have reached out to me asking me that they want to make people admin so that they can give them access to advertise on their ad account, but they do not know how to do it. So that is the strategy I'm going to show you right now. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are friend on Facebook with that person that you want to make an admin. So you must become a friend. If you guys are not friend, go ahead and just send friend request and accept friend request. So I'm just going to quickly do that right away. These are two ad accounts that I want to quickly send a friend request so that let me make sure that we are friends with each other here. If we're not, then I'm going to send friend request, then accept. Okay, so we're not, so I'm going to add friend and I'm going to come back here and accept. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do that, then I'll proceed. So this is it. I'm just going to accept it right here. So we are friend now. Remember that I want to make that this person, this account, an admin in this account. So in this case, let me explain it. In this case, you are the person that want to be made admin and somebody else is making you admin. Okay, so once you guys have accepted each other as friends, the person that will make you admin has to now follow this process that I'm going to show you. Okay, the very first thing is you need to go to your ad manager. So come down here, click on see more and click on this ad manager. So I'm going to open it in another tab immediately. I'm going to open it in another tab, and the moment it opens, I will now show you the strategies and the steps you can use to make the person an admin right away. Now, as you can see, there are three ad accounts that I have because other people have been making me admin for me to manage their ad for them. But this is the ad account you are going to see. If you don't have much ad account on your own, you're only going to see one ad account. So in that case, it's going to be this particular one, which is your personal ad account. How do you know the one that is personal? Well, you come to this assets instead of coming to this business portfolio. So you are not, anything you see in this business portfolio is your business ad account. Anything you see in this other asset is your personal ad account. In most cases, it's only one ad account you are going to see. The only reason you are seeing this tray here is because somebody have given me access to be managing their ad accounts. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to come here, click on all tools and click on add account settings. Remember, add account settings, that's where we're going to go to give people access to either advertise or become an admin in that account. Now I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to tell you the difference between giving person access as an advertiser and giving person access as an admin. But before then, let's go. So when I come here, I'm going to click on scroll down and click on add people. It is important, add people. Now, remember the name that I have selected. So I'm going to type that name. You see why I say that you must become an admin. You see why I say that you must become a friend with that person. If you are not friend here, it's not going to show. So I'm going to just choose that name, in this case Moses Ishaku. Then I want to give the person access as an admin, as an advertiser, or as an analyst? Well, if I give the person access as an admin, it is not so much what I'm supposed to do, especially if I do not know that person. Because if you give somebody access as an admin on your other account, the person can add or remove you, add or remove the card, that a lot of roles you are giving the person access to. So in that case, if I want to give maybe my brother or my sibling, I can decide to do an admin. But imagine a scenario where you are just giving a random person access to advertise in your ad account. The only thing I recommend that you do is to give them access as ad account advertiser. There's a reason Facebook made it ad account advertiser, because you will not have, the person will not have so much control. The person will only have the control to go and create advert. Every other thing like managing role, removing and changing card, all those delicate things, they are not going to have access to it. So I'm just going to give the person access as ad account advertiser. Once I do that, I'm going to click confirm. Look at what is going to happen now. Boom, Moses Ishaku has been added to your ad account. Now all you need to do at this point is to tell the person to go and check in their ad manager. So let's do that. I'm going to go to my ad manager for this Moses Ishaku. That is the place that I gave access. Let's go to the ad manager, and we are going to see that that ad account that has been given to me is already going to show. So for instance, if you look at this ad account, you're going to see that it starts with 207 and it ends with 840. Okay, if you're not seeing it, it starts with 207 and it ends with 840. So that when we come back here, we're still going to see that the ad account that starts with 207 and ends with 840 is already added here for us. Let's see it. You see, I just opened it now. Remember, before I added myself, I was only having one. So you see the ad account that I added, it starts with 207 and it ends with 840. This means that we now have access to manage advert on this ad account. This is the easiest way you do it. After watching this video, you will never have any issue with them. So this is how you do it. You just give them access and they're able to advertise on your ad account, even without, you don't need to give them your login detail, because these things are delicate things. You cannot give out your login detail because you want to give person access to advertise on your ad account. I hope this has been helpful, and if you want to learn more secret like this on Facebook ad and Instagram ad, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, because I upload videos every single time that are helpful. I trust you find this helpful, and I'm going to see you in the next video.